It's our third day at Telunas Private Island, and the sun finally decided to make its presence felt. We spent the morning with a plunge in our private pool. Later on, we took a hike around the island and discovered a hidden mangrove beach. Unlike the first 2 days of rain, the sun was out in force this morning, so we decided to make full use of our private pool. After a quick breakfast, we rushed back to our villa and changed into our swimsuits. We are staying at one of the 5 couples-only private villas located on the ridge overlooking the sea. Surrounded by lush greenery, the private pool villa offers a secluded sanctuary away from the noise and pollution of city life. There are no Wi-Fi signals, no television in these villas, so be prepared for a few days of digital detoxification. In addition to a refreshing dip, our private pool offers a scenic respite with panoramic views of the surrounding beauty. After lunch, we put on our walking shoes and went for a hike to explore the island's pristine nature. The nature trails are fairly accessible and well marked. It meanders through quiet forests, inviting us to absorb the sights and sounds of untouched wilderness. The serenade of rustling leaves and the sweet melody of native birds accompanied our journey. As we immersed ourselves in the tranquility, the island's lush greenery and diverse flora became our companions on this meditative hike. Our adventure reached its crescendo as we discovered a hidden gem at low tide, a secluded mangrove beach. The shoreline revealed a tapestry of rock formations, tide pools, and intriguing features. We marveled at the biodiversity thriving in this delicate ecosystem. It was an enchanting exploration, uncovering the wonders of nature in its most natural form. Our day ended with lasting memories of a secluded haven